Hello, welcome to Popalong RC. This video I'm going to be showing you the upgrades which I have done to the good old Cougar Classic. I've got a lot of people asking me, what have you done to it? What have you done to it? So I'll take you through it step by step because it is now slowly becoming my favourite car. And believe me when I say I've got a few cars, you know. So this is, yeah, it's pretty much one of my favourites here. So let's start at the beginning and finish at the end. So we've got the upgraded transmission here, which is, I'll show you the product numbers here, which is this here. So U7600, the Pro transmission conversion, comes with everything you need, including spur gear. Now the spur gear in this pack is actually quite a lot bigger. And I should imagine reason for that is because most people who put the Pro Trans in will put a brushless motor in there instead of, and it'll probably be a 10.5. We can only run up to a 10.5 in the vintage class in these cars, so that keeps it all legal and above board. Super smooth. I've only run this car outside my house, so I don't actually know what it's going to be like, but it sounds super smooth. So that's the first upgrade that we did. The second upgrade, we put the upgraded drive shafts on here, which are super nice and really nice to put together. And that is this here. So this is U8680. It's a roller drive shaft, and this is not to be confused with the Cougar 2 Works classic ones. These are slightly different. They're a little bit shorter, so I understand. Super nice, super easy to put together. Link in the description on where you can get some information on how to build these. I've blogged it before, and I've said that a good lad on the scene, Richard Lowe, RC's put a really good video together. I'm not going to do it because he's already done it, and he's done it better than I would. So click on that if you want to know how to put them together. The third thing we've done, moving swiftly on, is our steering arrangement. So as you can see there, we have got the upgraded steering on there, which is this one here. So that's a U8299 bull race steering setup V2. Well, I should imagine that's the version 2. I don't know what the version 1 was like. I never actually got it, but you get all your bits and pieces there. Nice part about this is, of course, you get the instructions, and a little bit challenging, actually, I thought, to put that in. Now, so we've got those 3 bits there. What else have I done? Kimbra servo saver. The servo in this is a dash servo. Don't know much about it, really. Aramax dash by all accounts. It's super quick, super expensive as well. That was not a cheap servo by any stretch of the imagination there. I have also drilled out a 1.1mm hole in the rear shocks, and I put thinner oil in than it comes with. Can't quite remember what that was, so forgive me for that. We've also got some weight up the front here because we need steering, because it's a rear motor car. We're always looking for steering on these cars, to be quite honest with you. In the back here, we have got, and I've got another one here, we have got the Orca Blitzstream 3 10.5 turn motor, and that one's actually unopened, and I'll tell you why in a minute. What else have I done to this car? I think that's probably about it. I've tried to get it as low as I can by taking the collars off here, because I've been running it on carpet. I've made some shock protectors out of some Lexan here, stuck those on as well. I have, of course, got the carbon upgraded shock tower on here. The old one broke, took a bit of a hit, and broke it. And other than that, it's it's pretty standard, but I don't really plan on doing much else to it. It's super nice. Oh, nearly forgot. We've got the Orca OE1 ESC in there with the blue con unit, and the beauty about this is that you can adjust the car. You can do a few laps and then you can stop and adjust it whilst you are still on the rostrum. Obviously not racing, you know, disclaimer there. Don't be doing that and blame me, that's ridiculous if you're doing that. In practice, of course, you can pull it over out of everybody's way, do some tweaks, and go again. So I cannot wait to run this car. We're going to be running these in April at the Phil Booth GP, which we are thoroughly looking forward to. We're going to use different tyres, be the honeycombs here. Thanks to Mark, who has kindly sent some tyres and wheels our way, which I will be using. So big shout out to him. You know who you are. Many, many thanks. Right. Bit of a problem. I have Carl's car here. Now, I have gone over this with a fine tooth comb, and I'm not exactly happy with what I'm seeing, right? So, there's zero oil in these shocks. I don't know what it was. There's no oil in these shocks whatsoever. So I'm going to need to sort that out. He's made shock protectors out of an old bottle. Okay, fine. The rear shocks. Look at this. No oil. I don't know what's going on here. I mean, what's this? What's this? What else can we pull apart on here that needs sorting out? Well, I think everything else looks okay. The toe in. He's got toe in on these wheels. Hang on, let me straighten it up. He's definitely got toe in on them wheels, which is weird. Okay, so I don't understand that either. Dare we take the lid off this and have a look? Let's have a look. Alright, what we got here? Okay. What have we got here? What's this? Alright, that's not a bad solder joint. What? I'm sorry, but what is that? I'm not too sure what that is going on there. Some serious bodgery going on here. Okay. Now, you know what I'm going to say, don't you? He's given this to me to put a new transmission in it, which I've got here. Obviously. Showed you it earlier. So I'm going to put that in it. Fine. But I'm not going to stop there. He said, I want the 15-turn core motor in it because slow is fast. I'm sick and tired of hearing it. Slow is fast. It's doing me head in. It's boring. Slow is boring. Keep telling him that. So we're going to fit him these as well. Got him these, which I showed you earlier. We're going to be fitting those. We're going to be fitting him one of those as well. And we're going to be fitting him one of those as well. So, you know, I don't want him whinging. You don't get me anything. I've got him everything. All I need to do is get an ESC now. And I've, funnily enough, got one on order. So that'll be coming soon as well. So watch this space. Hopefully he's going to appreciate this. And you don't whinge and moan at me. I don't know. But there you go. So, little bit of an update on the Cougar situation. Yes, we did. We were going to go stock and this and run them and all that. But I'll be honest with you, folks. Oh, so bored. I nearly fell asleep on the rostrum twice because it was so slow. And, you know, we're going to be even again because his car's going to be exactly the same as mine. So, just faster, that's all. So there you go, a little bit of an update on the Cougar situation. I hope you all understand and you're all right behind me and you are absolutely right in what I'm trying to do here. Anyway, if you like what you see, like, subscribe, hit the old ding dong bell and we'll see you on another video.